Hi, my name is Oliver and welcome to our Candock channel. This video is going to be about accessories that goes on our modular gangway. So these are the modular Candock hinges, and that's what you're going to find in the box. 2 mounting plates, 2 hinges, and a bag of hardware that you're going to need to install this. We're going to start with the 4 brass nuts. We're going to insert them on a notch here in the front, 2 on each side. Now we're going to mount our plate. Next step is to measure what width you want. At Candock we usually do 19 inches or 38 inches. You can measure from the middle. So if you want 38 inches, I'm going to measure 19 inches here. 19 from the center. And it's always in the middle here of the bushing. Just to make sure, I'm going to measure again. And I have 38 to the middle there. So now we're going to use the Allen key. We're ready to put inches on. All right, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.